Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can deactivate our Facebook account. So for that, head over to your Facebook and get logged into your account, which you would like to deactivate. Select your profile, you will get landed onto a page like this. Here, select your icon of settings. And in here, select see more in accounts center. Now, as you do that, under account settings, select personal details. As you do that, select account ownership and control. And likewise, go for a second option of deactivation or deletion. Now, if you have any Facebook pages or Instagram, you will also see it right here, but select only the profile which you would like to deactivate, which is Facebook in this case. Now, there are two things that you can do, either deactivate, which is a temporary action, or delete, which is permanent action. Select your choice and then select continue. And give any reasons that you would like. And select yes, deactivate instead. Select continue. And for security reasons, it will ask you to enter your password. All you have to do is enter your password, confirm your action, and it will be deactivated. And deactivation means you can open your account anytime you would like. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.